Foreword. In August 1993, Venerable Master Chin Kung gave an 8-hour lecture series titled Essence of the Infinite Life Sutra at Ta-Keo Buddhist Temple in San Francisco, USA. The Hua Zan lecture notes team transcribed the recorded lectures and organized them. In addition, relevant segments from the lectures on the Infinite Life Sutra given in San Jose in June 1992 were excerpted as a supplement. This compiled transcription was given to Venerable Master Chin Kung for correction and editing. Originally titled Lecture Notes on the Essence of the Infinite Life Sutra, it has now been translated and published under its original name. Freely circulated, it is humbly offered to readers for them to benefit from the Dhamma. Pure Land Translation Team, 2 Woomba, Australia, November 2013. Preface. For this lecture series at Ta-Keo Buddhist Temple, I plan to give 4 lectures, 8 hours in total, to introduce the Infinite Life Sutra. The Infinite Life Sutra is called the longer sutra in the Pure Land School. I have given several lecture series on it in the United States. In the past few years, the Buddhist canon has been printed in Taiwan and distributed worldwide. After more than 10 reprints, the number of copies in circulation is very impressive. Chinese classics such as the complete library of the 4 branches of literature and selections from the 4 branches of literature have also been published and given to libraries around the world. Therefore there is no fear of their being lost to the world. The literary treasures are abundant, but many would be ashamed if no one were to read them. How many people have an opportunity to read the Buddhist canon from beginning to end, even once in this lifetime? And when they attempt to read it, they may not be able to comprehend it. It occurred to me that important passages in the sutras can be excerpted and compiled into a book to facilitate reading, studying, and practicing in life. In this way, traditional Chinese culture and Mahayana Buddhism will truly be able to benefit all beings. Master Hongyi's Wanjing Ji is a collection of excerpts from the sutras and quotations from the patriarchs, 101 of them in all. I once lectured on the Wanjing Ji in an easy to understand way, and the audience liked it very much. Therefore I feel studying the excerpts is worth trying. This time I have taken 60 excerpts from the Infinite Life Sutra. If this experiment is successful, I think that the Buddhist canon can be studied in this way. The Taisho Buddhist canon is 100 volumes. If it is condensed into 1 volume, studying it will be more convenient. The voluminous classics like the complete library of the 4 branches of literature and selections from library of the 4 branches of literature can also be condensed into 1 or 2 volumes by excerption. This way in the future everyone will be able to read them. excerption requires identifying the essence. This is a must. It is like finding the right medicine for an illness. What symptoms are present society and people exhibiting? Today society is in disorder. People have conflicting thoughts. They feel helpless and do not have any sense of security. When we look into the root cause, we find it is none other than 1. People not maintaining proper relationships with one another. 2. The loss of morality. And 3. People ignoring the principles and truth of the law of cause and effect. These are the main causes of today's problems in society. This is why our excerpts should focus on morality and the principles of truth, of causality. The 60 excerpts were chosen based on problems in society. The focus was not on Pure Land practitioners. For Pure Land practitioners, instead of these excerpts, I would definitely choose the 48 vows in chapters 32 through 37. These are the chapters Pure Land practitioners must study and understand. Reading these 60 excerpts is the same as reading the entire Infinite Life Sutra. It is impossible for a sutra to suit one's capacity from beginning to end. There may be parts that seem boring and that are not applicable for the reader. The reader may thus lose interest. The excerpts, on the other hand, are the essence. Whether one reads them or listens to lectures on them, one will be highly interested to learn and practice them. Shi Chin Kung.